Ways to control emotions. Number 1. Stay self-aware. Notice and identify your emotions as they arise. Understand the triggers behind specific emotions. Number 2. Pause and reflect. Take a moment before reacting to a situation. Consider the potential consequences of expressing emotions impulsively. Number 3. Deep breathing. Practice deep, slow breaths to activate the body's relaxation response. Focus on your breath to center yourself in stressful situations. Number 4. Take breaks. Step away from a situation to regain composure. Physical distance can provide emotional distance, offering a better perspective. Number 5. Positive self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive or rational ones. Avoid exaggerating situations. Try to see things in perspective. Number 6. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to avoid overwhelming yourself. Establish clear boundaries in relationships for emotional balance. Number 7. Practice empathy. Understand others' perspectives. Empathizing can reduce anger or frustration and improve communication. Number 8. Journaling. Write down thoughts and emotions for processing. Journaling provides insights into recurring patterns and triggers.
Click the link in our bio to try Innertune, a powerful mind reprogramming tool that will allow you to become a vibrational match to your desires, attracting them effortlessly into your life.